In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add progress bars in Glide. If you're building an app that tracks completion, like onboarding checklists, course progress, or project milestones, a progress bar is a simple, visual way to show how far along someone is. We'll keep this quick and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find the progress component and how to place it in your app's layout. First, go to Glide. Open your web browser and head to the Glide website. If you're already familiar with Glide, you'll feel right at home. If not, don't worry. Everything we're doing happens right in the editor, so there's nothing to install. Next, sign into your account. Use your usual login method and wait for your dashboard to load. If you're working in a team workspace, make sure you're in the right one so you can access the correct project. A quick tip here. It's helpful to have an idea of where you want the progress bar to live in your app, on a detail screen, a list item, or a dedicated page, so the next steps go smoothly. Now, open the project you want to edit. From your dashboard, select the app where you want to add the progress bar. Glide will take you into the editor, showing the preview on the right and your configuration tools on the left. Take a moment to land on the exact screen in your app where the progress bar should appear. This keeps your changes focused and lets you see results instantly. On the left side panel, click the Add icon in Components. This is the panel where you manage everything that appears on the current screen. Look for the Add icon, typically a plus symbol, and give it a click to open the component library. This library is organized so you can quickly find layout elements, media, inputs, and more. Finally, scroll down and click Progress. You'll find the Progress component in the list of available components. Click it once, and Glide will add a progress bar to your screen. You'll see it appear right away in the preview. From here, you can explore the options shown in the panel to connect it to your data and adjust the look to match your app's style. Progress bars work best when your data represents a percentage or a numeric value toward a goal, so keep that in mind as you set things up. That's it. Your progress bar is now in place and ready to visualize progress in a clean, user-friendly way. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.